tutorials. Today we are going through how to process sick leaves in Wagemaster. Let's jump right in. So first of all, you just need to make sure you're looking at the correct pay period ending date. So there's two options that you can process any type of leave in your Wagemaster. If the employee give you notice prior to a pay period ending date or prior you process payslip, that's where you can record it as a planned leave. But if you get the message on the date or while you're processing the wages, that's where you can add those leave while you're actually generating the payslip. So I will quickly go through the both options. So you just need to click on employee first and just make sure you're looking at the correct employee. And you're going to leave, you click on sick leave. Now under accruals and the top right corner, these are the hours that this employee generated leaves, so the accrued leaves, and the taken will be over the sick leave that we processed in the past. And the planned leave, if you know, okay, this employee got some leaves booked in, you need to add it in prior to the pay slip generated. This is where you can add it. So pretty much you go and add date requested, okay, which days is not in the work, and the what date. Let me quickly things. So let's say for example 13th February road, so it will be 1 day, so hours to be paid, let's say it was 8 hours, and the pay period on 14. So now if I add in there, if I go into wages, that's its timesheet hours, so the leave will be automatically in there as sick leave. Now let's assume if I go back the employee again, leave, sick leaves, this planned leave, it's not there. So you employee just call on the day and saying it's not feeling well, so it's not going to make it to work. That's would happen in a real scenario. So how you can do it, you just go into wages, just add his normal hours. If you go into next, in the adjustment screen, you just need to click on leave and you go ahead, then select the leave type. It will be sick leave and the duration from in the 14th, so I would say 13th, 1 day, 8 hours. Click OK. Now if you go into next, the payslip would be exactly same. It says say salary and the sick leaves and any adjustment or deduction that's it's go through his superannuation or anything like that, that way there. So these are the two methods that you can process any type of leave, not only sick leave, but you can process the same way as annual leave, any personal leaves, any long services leave if you want to make it. So there's always two methods. Either if you know the leaves that are gonna happen in prior you generate the payslip, that's always go with the planned leave. And if you don't know, it just happened on the day or very recently you didn't record it prior, that's where you can add leave on the while you're generating the payslip on the adjustment screen. Alrighty, thank you everyone for watching this video. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this a video like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.